Hi, if you are new on my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Trudy. I'm a normal stay-at-home mommy of two beautiful teenagers, and I live in a small coastal town in the Eastern Cape, South Africa. But my journey didn't start here. My journey started about 12 years ago when I was fed up for corporate life, the rat race, and my children were very, very small. And I said to my husband, the time to move is now, to give my children a better future, a better life for themselves. We need to leave the corporate rat race and start and make a new change for ourselves. We moved to a coastal town, packed up everything, sell everything that we have, and we moved 1,200 kilometers further away from the rat race. And here I am today, a stay-at-home mommy of two beautiful teenagers. For the most time of my life, I was in real estate. I was a very, very good estate agent. But in 2015, I had enough of the rat race in real estate. And I resigned. And ever since, the Lord has been very, very good for me and my husband and my children. From 2015, I've been in network marketing, doing everything that you can think of, selling it for only 25% commission, selling a lipstick and only get 25% commission, cold calling, picking up the parcels, delivering it, do everything for so little money, and I became fed up. And one night I was looking for something to do, a side hustle, so that I can support my husband, because one income in South Africa doesn't do it anymore. Every end of the month I see the financial stress on my husband's face, and I couldn't take it anymore. I wanted to do something, be part of our success story. And I was scrolling on TikTok one evening and I saw a post of a lady, and she said, how would it feels like if you can work 2 hours a day and make $900? And I was thinking to myself, oh my word, really? This sounds too good to be true. This seems like a scam. And I know I've been scammed out a lot of money previously in my life, and I couldn't afford losing money again. So I went on TikTok, I followed her, and I went through her social media accounts, and I saw for myself that this is a legitimate business. Look at all the money that these people are making. And that is the question today. Can you really make money online? And my answer is yes, my friend. You can really make money online. I started with the $300 program. I purchased my program. I didn't have money to purchase my program. I saved up because, remember, I'm a stay-at-home mommy. I have no income of whatsoever. So I need to save up to be able to purchase my $300 program. I purchased my program, and ever since I've upgraded to the $900 program. We in South Africa have already 11 self-made millionaires in South Africa. And this, my friend, is a global business. You get paid in dollars daily if you are lucky. If you do what you have been told, if you follow the program, follow the process, how to earn money online, this is the best and easiest business I have ever done in my entire life. With only 2 hours a day, a stable Wi-Fi connection, a cell phone, or a laptop, you can earn up to $900 a day, my friend. What's the best part of it all? Your business is on automation. So while you are enjoying life, you get payments with your automations, because this is what it's all about, to get your time freedom back. Have your business on automation while you enjoy life. So my friend, the question is, why are you still sitting on the fence and wondering if people are making money online? Our mentor, Michelle O'Neill, made her first $1 million in 17 months. So yes, my friend, you can make money online. I hope to see you very, very soon in our global community. If you are ready to start your journey with digital marketing, just comment yes, and I would love to share the program with you.